Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a 5-piece camping accessory pack that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a lantern. Start with a pair of hollow studs. We're going to place these on top of one another. Then we're going to take a modified 1x1 plate with 3.2 stick. We're going to place this where the stick is facing inside the studs. As shown, I'm going to take one of these little minifigure accessories that have a stud on the bottom. This is going to be the handle for our little lantern. Start with a 1x2 plate for a small radio. We're going to place a 1x2 modified plate with stick right on top of the 1x2 plate. On the left hand side, I'm going to take a round 1x1 flat tile. This is going to be our speaker, and a 1x1 flat tile with a control panel print for a tuning mechanism for the radio. Let's start with a 1x3 Technic lift arm for our ice chest. We're going to populate each of the holes with a friction pin with stud. Of course, you want the stud to face the top. And then in the center stud, we're going to place a 1x1 flat tile, followed by a pair of 1x1 plates on the end studs. And for a little carry-in handle, a 1x3 telephone receiver. For our sleeping bag, start with a 2x6 plate. We're going to place a 2x3 flat tile right here. Then we're going to slide in a 1x6 plate right underneath the 2x3 flat tile. Then we're going to proceed on with a 1x2x2 corner flat tile and a 1x2x2 corner angular flat tile. And then we're going to take a 2x2 cross-cut flat tile. I'm not sure what these are called. We're going to place that there. And a set of 1x1 half-round flat tiles for a pillow. For a backpack, start with a 2x2 flat tile. Take a 1x2 modified plate with top Technic lift arm. We're going to place a pair of these on the top portion of the 2x2 flat tile, and then we're going to slide in a 1x2 plate right here. And in both Technic holes, set of friction pin with stud. And then we're going to crown off the ends of these studs with a set of 1x1 round flat tiles. And for the back, to attach this to a minifigure, we're going to take one of these brackets with the two studs, place this right in the center, and you can just drop this over your minifigure's neck.